你有冇試過去到西餐廳，見到個 menu 餐牌全英文睇唔明，唔識得叫嘢食 ？Ma'am, what would you like to order？ 哇，全部英文睇唔明添。求其叫一個啦。S1啊。啊 ，sorry， 你唔識中文啊？S1啦，1。If you want to learn how to read a menu, keep watching。咁今日咧就會同大家一齊學一啲喺西餐廳好常見到嘅英文食物名。呢一啲嘅食物名咧就係嚟自我喺香港最喜愛嘅西餐廳 The Cheesecake Factory 嘅 menu 餐牌嚟嘅。This video is not sponsored by the Cheesecake Factory, even though I would very much love it to be. First, let's talk about appetizers. 咁某一啲嘅西餐廳咧喺個 menu 上面咧可能會用到 appetizers 呢一個字嘅。咁 appetizers 嘅意思咧就係講一啲嘅開胃菜或者係頭盤嘅。咁同一時間咧佢哋亦都可能會用 starters 呢一個字。咁 appetizers 或者係 appetizer 呢一個字咧係同埋 appetite 呢個字咧就有關係嘅。咁 appetite 嘅意思咧就係代表胃口嘅。
I got no appetite。
咁有陣時咧個侍應咧就可能會問你。Would you like to start with some appetizers？ 咁意思就係想問你話，你想唔想先叫咗一啲嘅頭盤先啊？當然 Cheesecake Factory 個 menu 咧實在係太大啦，咁我哋今日咧就淨係會抽幾樣咧去一齊去學嘅。咁同埋我發現咧，上一次我去 Cheesecake Factory 食飯嘅時候咧，佢哋個 menu 咧係有中文嘅，但係都唔緊要。呢個 video 咧入邊學嘅食物名咧，其實都係喺其他西餐廳好常見嘅。Appetizers。Stuffed mushrooms. Stuffed mushrooms. 咁大家可以喺我講英文食物名嘅時候咧，你可以嘗試幻想一下嗰個食物係咩樣嘅。咁跟住我先至會用中文去開估係咩嚟嘅。Stuff 呢個字如果冇 ed 嘅時候咧，就係代表東西嘅意思。譬如你可以講話 I got some stuff in my car。咁意思就係話喺我嘅車入邊咧，我有一啲嘢啦。但係如果當你加咗 ed 嘅時候咧，就會將呢個字咧就變咗做形容詞 adjective。咁喺呢度 stuffed mushrooms 嘅意思咧就代表釀蘑菇啦。咁 stuff 咧就通常講話你有一啲嘢，然之後你夾硬擠啲嘢入去，咁就係 stuffed 嘅意思，或者係 stuff 一啲嘢。Stuffed mushrooms 釀蘑菇。Loaded baked potato tots。Loaded baked potato tots。咁 load 呢個字咧就代表加咗一啲嘢嘅意思。咁喺呢度 loaded 嘅意思咧，亦都係加咗 ed 啦，將佢變咗做形容詞啦。咁其實如果你見到一啲食物名，如果譬如佢講話 loaded fries， 咁意思就係講話嗰啲嘅薯條 fries 咧，上面咧就可能會有好多芝士啊，可能會有好多煙肉啊，即係煙肉碎啊 bacon bits 咁樣嘅。咁樣咧就為之 loaded 啦。咁意思就係講話嗰個食物上面咧，其實係有好多嘢加咗上去嘅。咁 bake 呢個字咧，或者係 baked 呢個字咧，大家都可能已經知道係焗嘅意思啦。咁點樣為之 potato tots 咧？咁其實喺薯仔呢一方面嘅食物嘅方面咧，有一樣嘢咧就係叫做 tater tots 嘅。咁 tater tots 咧其實係有少少似一啲嘅薯餅，即係 hash brown 咁樣啦，但係佢就將佢變成細粒啲咁樣嘅。咁其實 potato tots 咧就通常都係形容講話一啲嘅薯仔可能壓爛咗，跟住佢將佢變成好似球體咁樣，然之後再去炸嘅。Loaded baked potato tots。脆焗釀薯堡 ，crispy Brussels sprouts，crispy Brussels sprouts。Brussels sprouts 就係好多小朋友，包括我都唔中意食嘅椰菜仔。咁喺網上面咧，佢嘅中文名咧亦都可以叫做抱子甘藍嘅。Who would order this？ 如果你中意食嘅話咧，我哋係絕對不能夠做朋友嘅。咁喺呢一度 crispy 嘅意思咧就代表香脆嘅意思 crispy。Crispy Brussels sprouts。Crispy Brussels sprouts。好啦，咁去到呢度，如果你已經準備好叫你嘅 appetizer 頭盤嘅時候咧，咁你就可以先舉手，然之後講話 I would like to order， 我想叫嘢食 I would like to order。咁記得咧就最好唔好講 I want to order， 咁因為呢一句咧就聽落去冇咁禮貌，最好就講 I would like to order。And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Main course or mains 主菜。 咁主菜 main course 嗰方面咧，就點會少得有牛扒咧？咁牛扒咧好多時候咧，香港人都會讀錯成 steak， 但其實就唔係 steak， 因為 stick 嘅意思就代表棍嘅。咁其實咧就應該拉長少少嚟讀 steak。Char grilled New York steak。Char grilled New York steak。咁喺呢一個食物名入邊咧，大家可能唯一唔係太熟悉嘅字咧，就係 char grill 呢個字啦。咁點樣為之 grill 啦？咁 grill 本身咧就係代表烤嘅意思，咁加咗 ed 嘅時候咧就變咗係 grilled， 即係烤咗嘅食物咁樣嘅。咁點解前面會有個 char 呢個字咧？咁其實 char 呢個字本身可以解作燒焦嘅意思，亦都同埋 charcoal 呢個字咧都係有少少嘅關聯嘅。咁 charcoal 咧就係我哋平時燒嘢食嗰啲嘅炭啊。咁所以喺呢一度 char grill 嘅意思咧，就係代表炭烤嘅意思啦。Char grilled New York steak， 烤紐約牛扒。咁當你叫 steak 牛扒嘅時候咧，個侍應咧就有可能會問你以下嘅問題 ：How would you like your steak？ How would you like your steak？ 咁中文咧，我哋就可以講話70%熟啊，即係以 percentage 咁樣去講嘅。但英文咧，我哋就唔會咁樣講啦，我哋就會講rare, medium rare, medium well, well done。咁我個人咧就其實唔係好中意食啲好生嘅嘢，咁我通常咧就會中意嗌 medium well， 咁意思就係講話少少粉紅色、少少生嘅意思。下一道菜 herb crusted fillet of salmon， herb crusted fillet of salmon。呢個字如果係美國人嘅話咧，就會讀 herb，好似冇咗 H 嘅發音咁樣嘅。咁如果係英國人嘅時候咧，就會讀 herb， 有翻 H 嗰個嘅發音。咁呢個字咧就代表香草。咁點樣為之 crusted 咧？咁其實 crust 呢一個字咧就本身係一個名詞嚟嘅，意思就係指外殼。咁如果你講話 crusted salmon 嘅時候咧，就代表就係講話嗰塊嘅三文魚嘅出邊佢嘅外皮咧就沾滿咗一啲嘅香草或者可能係炸粉咁樣嘅。跟住就到 fillet 呢個字啦。咁其實 fillet 呢個字咧就代表一塊塊嘅意思。咁同埋呢一個字 fillet 咧，其實佢本身係一個法文字嚟嘅，咁所以就讀 fillet。咁如果係英文寫法嘅時候咧，中間就會多咗個 L， 咁就係讀 fillet。Herb crusted fillet of salmon。Fettuccine Alfredo。Fettuccine Alfredo。Fettuccine 其實就係一個意大利名嚟嘅，咁其實佢係意大利麵 pasta 嘅其中一種啦。譬如亦都可以有 spaghetti 有 linguine 咁樣嘅，咁呢啲全部都係意大利名嚟嘅，亦都係 pasta 嘅名嘅一種。而 Alfredo 嘅意思咧，就亦都係 pasta 嘅一種 sauce， 係一個pasta 嘅醬料嚟嘅。咁通常咧都係白汁嚟嘅，比較 creamy， 同埋邊會有garlic 啦，亦都會有 Parmesan cheese 喺入邊嘅。Fettuccine Alfredo。Fettuccine Alfredo。Fish tacos。Tacos 咧就其實係一個 Mexican dish 嚟嘅，一個墨西哥菜嚟嘅。I love Mexican food. Fish tacos.好啦，咁跟住最後咧就去到甜品 dessert 啦。去到 Cheesecake Factory 就梗係要嗌 cheesecake 啦。Caramel apple cheesecake。Caramel apple cheesecake。Caramel 就係焦糖啦。咁 caramel 呢個字咧，有陣時你都可能會聽到人哋講caramel 咁樣嘅，咁就係 caramel 或者係 caramel。Caramel apple cheesecake。焦糖蘋果芝士蛋糕。Oreo dream extreme cheesecake。Oreo dream extreme cheesecake。呢一個 cheesecake 咧係基本上我每次去 Cheesecake Factory 咧都係必定會叫嘅。咁呢一個嘅蛋糕名就當然對大家嚟講好容易明白啦。咁當然如果你唔明嘅時候咧，你亦都可以睇佢下面細細粒嗰啲字嘅。Creamy cheesecake layered with Oreo cookies, topped with Oreo cookie mousse and chocolate icing。喺呢度 layer 或者 layered 嘅意思咧就係一層層啦。咁意思咧就係講緊話個蛋糕入邊咧就會有一層層嘅 Oreo cookies 喺度嘅。咁然之後咧佢就 講話 topped with Oreo cookie mousse。咁 topped 嘅意思咧就代表係個蛋糕嘅上面。咁 mousse 咧大家都已經知道係好似嗰啲 cream 狀嘅嘢啦。咁 chocolate icing 啦 ，icing 咧就通常係一啲比較硬少少嘅 cream 嚟嘅，就好似一啲嘅糖霜咁樣啦。今日嘅常用英文食物名咧就去到呢度啦。Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Remember to subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Bye!